So, sir, we're here. So, how are you feeling right now?
Hi,
Yes.
everything is good. We are 5,300. I'm feeling good, taking a rest, and good experience. Wonderful.
And would you like to say anything to Mr. Deepak?
Everything, the trip has been wonderful. We are finishing our trip. We just need to make the run in the helicopter. Alfonso is going to be going to the base camp and go down, and perfect. Thanks.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
The pilot man. So as you can see, guys, Alfonso is coming up. You know, just look at his speed. It's amazing, incredible. It's just incredible. And I've never seen anyone going this fast.